a nice house.
I know, right?
I heard somebody died here, though.
Oh my God, really?
It's pretty creepy.
What? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I know. Creepy.
I didn't hear you.
This looks for you.
Oh, okay. Want some pie?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Dude, the door won't open.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, what was that?
What the fuck?
What's that? You know how you said somebody was killed here?
Yeah.
This is a birth and death certificate.
Oh my God.
Stabbed to death.
Over 9,000 times.
Oh my God. Maya and Jaden were
Jaden got shot.
Maya disappeared.
Now we're both teenagers. What he said. Somebody Maya's spot in this movie.
I can't believe this.
It's crazy! I'm going to die here.
That kid over there.
What kid?
The kid running up the
What the
stairs.
hell? I'm gonna kill you.
I can!
Teleport.
I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm over here. Oh crap, no, backwards. No, it's time to die.
Should I take a bath?
No, you idiot! What the hell's wrong with you?